Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's coming up to exam entry time. If you're looking to enter to take the ABRSM Grade 3 exam, I'd like to help you on your way. To date, I've 94 videos uploaded to my channel to help you in your studies for Grade 3. The link to that playlist will be in the cards and also in the description box. First of all, you must work your way through the ABRSM Music Theory and Practice workbook. Do remember that these grades are accumulative, so you will also need to have worked through grades 1, grade 2 and now also the grade 3. In my music theory tuition videos, I work through every single exercise in these workbooks and I explain how to understand everything you need for the exam. On my website, I also provide some free PDF information sheets and they've information to accompany every step along the way. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you can download these PDFs in A4 or US letter, and each section of the PDF corresponds to a section in the workbook. For example, if you open up your Grade 3 Music Theory and Practice workbook, the first section deals with the note of a demi-semiquaver or 30-second notes. I've referred to this as section A, and so on PDF section A I explain all about demi-semiquavers, and so that continues throughout the PDF document to correspond to the sections in the book. And then in the videos I explain exactly how to understand all of the information so that you can then come to the conclusion for the correct answers. And so I work with you everything you need to know for this exam. From 2018 onwards, the ABRSM have revised the exam syllabus, and I'll just show you which sections are affected. So if you turn with me in your Music Theory Grade 3 book, if you turn to page 26, the section which refers to 4-bar rhythms, you will now no longer be expected to complete in exam conditions. They won't be on the exam paper from 2018 onwards. However, I do show you some tips on how to best look at this, and it's perhaps worth having a little go at it just so that you understand the concept, but you won't be required to understand that for exam purposes. And then if you turn to the end of the book, if we look at the performance directions, now these are accumulative again, so you still need to know all of your performance directions and musical terms from grade 1 and grade 2, in addition to the long list that's now included in grade 3. And in the videos and in the PDFs I give you some little tips on how to revise those, and then at the end of the PDF document I give you the opportunity to just test yourself. So I'll give you a little quiz there. However, in the ABRSM newly revised exam syllabus, these will be presented to you now as multiple choice format. That still doesn't change the fact that you need to know them, and sometimes multiple choice can throw you off scent a little bit, but the presentation of this will now only be in multiple choice. I've also written an exam technique guidebook where I give tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. And so to find out information on how to get that, you can go to my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find out all about that book there. Past papers are an excellent revision resource, and I've worked through many of the previous year's past papers too. I'll put up a further video guiding you through that, showing you the videos that I've got there to help you. The links to get you started in your studies will be in the cards and also in the description, and also you can find everything you need through my website. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. I hope you enjoy your studies. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab, and please subscribe to my channel to stay in touch. There's lots more in the pipeline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.